When people say courses are dead, please ignore that. Okay, please ignore that, especially if it's not coming from somebody who is an expert in that area. Courses, building out mentorship programs, coaching programs, they are not dead. They are very much still alive. People are just buying them differently, people are consuming them differently. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. I've helped hundreds of creative entrepreneurs and business owners to take back their free time, generate additional revenue, and celebrate while living that work from anywhere lifestyle through creating online courses and digital education. So I'm super excited that you guys are here. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Right? Let's get it. Hello, hello. What is going on? Awesome party peeps. It's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. And today we are talking shifting your content. So if you are ready to start shifting your content when it comes to your social media content, but also when it comes to your course content, the content that you're putting in your coaching and mentorship programs, then you are in the right place. We talk all things premium courses, luxury mentorship, and coaching brands. What's going on, IG? I see you on as well. If you're watching this on the Jump First Academy YouTube channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when more episodes like this drop, okay? So I've been talking for a little bit, for a long time, definitely as we have come into 2025, about how content is shifting. Not only the marketing content that you're putting out to attract the right audience to your courses and coaching mentorship programs, but also the content that you're putting inside of your programs. Your premium buyers are looking for something different. It's not that people have stopped buying courses. It's not that people have stopped buying coaching. People are just investing differently, okay? And they're thinking about those investments differently. And so it matters the type of content that you're putting out on social media to attract premium buyers to your courses. And it also matters what you are telling them and how you're helping them to transform inside of your programs and courses. Now, let's talk about this for a second. So the other day, 2 days ago, I posted a post, and I posted on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, across platforms, right? And on Instagram, I actually, inside of this caption, it was a post about hold music for Zoom, okay? And it's just something and I posted this post back in 2022. I just posted it again because I think it's still relevant, okay? I host most of my online courses on Zoom. Pro tip, you don't need a lot of stuff in order to get your courses done. Please do not let software or tech or anything like that keep you from putting your courses out there. Shameless plug, I'm teaching a free class this Thursday that's going to show you an easier way for doing it, how to revamp your content, and also make sure that you're attracting the right people, also what types of software you might need in order to get it done, all that good stuff. So if you're interested in that, the juicy stuff is happening on Thursday. You can register at jumpfirstacademy.org/VIP. The links are also in description and bio. And so I posted this post the other day. Same post I posted back in 2022, same caption, all that stuff, okay? And back in 2022, I also tagged Zoom in this in this post. The post did very well back in 2022. I think it hit like 22,000 people saw it or something like that. So I decided to post it again, and I was like, I'm just going to post it again. I think it's still relevant. We need hold music for Zoom, okay? I want my people to enjoy the jams while they are waiting for the Zoom to start. And so Zoom liked the post. Now, mind you, let me take this back for a second, because I know we started to get into this concept, and I've always never been a fangirl, if you will. Like, I've never been like celebrities, and celebrity status doesn't do it for me, if you will. I'm more interested in how do we exchange value, right? Like, is this relationship valuable? And so I've been using Zoom since the start of my business, one of my favorite platforms to host my courses on. And so I wasn't like fangirling over the fact that Zoom liked the post, but it solidifies what I've been talking about a lot. A lot of, and this is a pro tip for your courses, especially for marketing, a lot of the content that you are putting out, we need to stop thinking about it in terms of the vanity metrics. It doesn't matter how many followers you have in 2025 and beyond. It doesn't matter how many people are liking your post. What matters is the value that you're providing and the community that you're building around the content that you are creating and posting, okay? None of that matters. We are moving towards, I remember back in 2018 when I first started, it was really about people who were following you. You know, people would always say, if you like this post, you know, give me a follow. And it's like, that's great. And sure, you know, people really evaluated community based on how many followers people had and those sorts of things. What we're starting to see is we're moving away from that, away from vanity metrics like followers, likes, all those things. And I've been talking about this for so long, and I'm so excited to see like it being validated now. We're moving towards interest-based content, consumerism, right? Like, so people are more interested in, and we saw this start to happen, this change started to happen with TikTok specifically, right? So they were pushing out content based on interests more so than followers. And so we're starting to see this on so many other platforms, and it's been happening for a while, but it's becoming more and more evident, okay, that you don't have to have a ton of followers. You can get started with no followers, okay, and your content still be pushed out to the people who are meant to see it. And so with that post from the other day, with Zoom liking it, it was just confirmation, right, that it's based on consumerism. It's interest based. It's not so much based on who's following who or how many followers you have. Like, you need to be putting out the content that's going to attract the type of people that you want to bring into your programs, your mentorship programs, your courses, all of those things. So again, when people say courses are dead, please ignore that. Okay, please ignore that, especially if it's not coming from somebody who is an expert in that area. Courses, building out mentorship programs, coaching programs, they are not dead. They are very much still alive. People are just buying them differently. People are consuming them differently. And so you need to really start to know what type of content you should be putting out, again, inside of the courses, but also the content that's going to attract your premium buyers. What's the language that you are speaking so they can start to come and flow into your world? And if you need help with that, then again, jumpfirstacademy.org/VIP in order to get started. There are other resources that I linked in the description below. And let me know, what questions do you have for me about premium courses, about building out mentorship programs in 2025 and beyond? I love interacting with y'all. I love answering questions. And I like to understand what you guys as a community are looking for so I can create more content like this that is relevant to what it is that you want. All right. I love y'all so much. I'm out of here. I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you for the compliments. And also thank you for being here. Keep doing you, keep being you, keep walking in your purpose, and keep believing in you, because I believe in you. Have an amazing day. I'll see y'all back here tomorrow. Bye, y'all.